For this video, we're going to multiply 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. We're going to take one problem and we're going to show that 3-digit multiplication using all 5 methods that we have learned thus far. So, for example, the first number we're going to take is 347 times 6. 347 times 6. The first step I'm going to do it with is place value sections. Remember, with place value sections, I'm going to draw an area model. Because I'm going to decompose this number to 300 plus 40 plus 7, I'm going to need 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. So as I draw my area model, I need to remember to break my boxes into 3 sections. And the place value sections method says that I will be writing my equation inside each box. So I need to make them fairly big, enough that I can write in them. My decomposed number goes along the top, 300 plus 40 plus 7. And remember, my 6 is going to go on the vertical side. Now the area of this box is 300 multiply by 6. My area of the middle box is 40 times 6. And the area of the last box is 6 times 7. So now I'm going to just write the answer for each one of them in the box. Well, I know that 3 times 6 is 18. How many place values do I have? I have 2, so I will add 2 back on in zeros. Don't forget your comma. Second box, I have 6 times 4. Well, I know 6 times 4 is 24. I again have 1 place value to add back on in a form of a 0. The last box is 7 times 6, which I know is 42. The last step of the place value sections model is to add up my 3 answers. So I have 1800 or 1800. I have 240. And I have 42. I add all those together. My ones is 2, tens 8, hundreds is 10, carry my 1, so I have 2082. That's using place value sections method. Now let's use expanded notation. Remember, with expanded notation, I again am going to draw my area model. This time I don't have to draw it as big because I'm not going to be writing anything inside them. Decompose again into 3 boxes with my 300, 40, and 7, and my 6. Now over here to the side, remember my problem originally was 347 times 6. I'm going to decompose that into my hundreds, tens, and ones. So 300 plus 40 plus 7. And then, because this is a ones, I'm not going to put it here. I'm not going to put it here. I'm going to put under my 7. Now I'm going to do my problem underneath of it. And each time I'm going to multiply the number on the top by 6. 40 multiplied by 6. 7 multiplied by 6. So my problems look like this. 6 times 300 equals, well, I know 6 times 3 is 18. I have 2 place values to add back on. I have 1800. My next problem is 6 times 40. Well, I know 6 times 4 is 24, and I have 1 place value. Again, I'm working really hard to line up my numbers. And the last one is 6 times 7, which equals 42. I will add all those up. I have 2, 8, 10, carry my 1, and 2. Notice on my answers, 2082 is the same as 2082 for place value sections method. The last area model is algebraic notation. With the algebraic notation method, I again am going to draw my area model. It doesn't have to be very big because I'm not going to write inside of it. Decompose my number, 300 plus 40 plus 7. My vertical number is 6. My multiplication problem was 6 times 347 equals. Remember, now I'm going to decompose my number. So I have 6 times, in parentheses, 300 plus 40 plus 7, in parentheses. And the distributive property tells me that I'm going to take the 6 times 300, the 6 times 40, and the 6 times 7 down below. So this equals 6 times 300 plus 6 times 40 plus 6 times 7. The distributive property says that for each, I'm going to give that 6 to each number in that decomposed number. Well, now I have my answers. Again, equals 6 times 3, 18. Add my 2 place values. Add 6 times 40. Well, 6 times 4 is 24. Add my 0. Plus 6 times 7 is 42. Again, if I need to turn this problem vertical, I've got room over here to do my vertical addition. And this equals 2082. Any way you do it, the first 3 methods all use area model. The last 2 models are partial products and shortcut. Again, I'm going to use the numbers 347 times 6, and we're going to do partial products. These 2 do not use area model. Partial products for 3-digit says that I'm going to do 347 times 6. I'm going to multiply my 1s. 7 times 6. I'm going to multiply my 10. 40 times 6. And I'm going to multiply my hundreds, which is 300 times 6. And I just go ahead and I write the answer to that underneath. 7 times 6 is 42. 40 times 6 is 240. And 300 times 6 is 1,800. I add those together. I get 2, 8, 10, 2. 2,082. That was using partial products method. The last method is shortcut. So again, my problem is 347 times 6. I know I'm going to multiply my ones together and put my product of the ones in the bottom. 7 times 6 is 42. My 2 goes here and I carry my 4. Now I'm going to do 4 times 6, which is 24. And don't forget to add my 4. So 24 plus 4 is 28. So my 8 goes in the 10 spot. And I carry my 2. Now I'm going to multiply 6 times 3, which is 18, and add 2, which is 20. And again, I get the answer 2,082. 5 different methods. They all give the same answer. You choose which one works best for you.